Hiya! My name's Marie and you're watching Marie's Stuff. How are you doing today? Have you done something fun yet? Well, let's do something fun together. Like, have a go at opening the new Sophie and Toffee box. Yay! This arrived literally just before the Easter holidays, but I went away, so I didn't have a chance to open it. I did have a peek to see what it was. I love these new boxes. It's so shiny. I know, shiny, shiny. And it is, let's open this properly. Yeah, I literally just had a peek in like this. Oh, it's the, I discovered it was the glow-in-the-dark April Elves box. This looks exciting. Something a little bit different. We'll have a look at that in a minute. Okay, wow. You've got tons of stuff in here by the look. Right, we've got some glow-in-the-dark glitter. Oh wow, these are gorgeous colours. Yeah, nice range of colours. We've got some, I think these are UV, yeah, here we go. UV glow-in-the-dark colours, and I think you get like random colours and a black. And these are the, yeah, because they've got those special tips. These are the ones that stand up, you know, stand proud, so that you get like an outline. And they're all glow in the dark. And I've got the purple one. I wanted the purple one. Right, what have I got? Oh, this is the light. We'll see what that's used for in a minute. We've got 3D paints. Oh, some nice colours in there. See how they work. We've got some more lights by the looks. Oh, that's, I haven't had that type of one before. See how that works. Okay. And what did I get? I got the cat one. Woo! This is the acetate outline that goes with the light. So I got the cat one. And we're supposed to get random acetate fillers, I believe. Yeah, we've got some spacey type themed one. I love the alien. Oh, that's wicked. I quite like that one too. And then we've got the church one to have a go at. And we've got the acetates to work with for these. That's cool. Not sure I'll have a go at the church one because I don't know what I'd use it for, but definitely give these a go. I think definitely have that one. But we'll see. Right, is that everything? Yeah, that looks like everything. No moulds this time, but hey, to be honest, I don't blame them. And you've got plenty in this box. You don't need moulds as well. I like that. And we've got the paints. Yeah. I might stand all these up in a minute for the picture at the end. But yeah, you get a lot in there. I know I've started subscribing to the Kitsune. I don't know how many I'll keep going with, but I know they're doing a glow in the dark one, so it might be interesting to compare when that one arrives. I'll leave a project from this to have a look at. But yeah, you get different sets of colour. Oh, I'm so glad I got this set over that set. I don't know, I think I've got some from both, but yeah, because 5 random colours it says, and they're glow in the dark 3D liner UV resin. Then you've got the 3D paint. It's water-based acrylic, so you've got to let it dry before you do anything with it. And the acrylic LED light. I think I'd have preferred the what's it called? This one. But I'm not angry at the cat either. I quite like the cat. We've got fairy lights, double-sided tape. All right, okay. 3 clear PVC sheets and astronaut designs, 3 random designs, 3D house design, and glow in the dark glitters, 5 random colours. Oh, looks interesting. You've got, yeah, just having a rough look. It seems pretty evident what the instructions are. Oh, I wouldn't have minded the stag. That's the one. I wouldn't have minded the boat either. It looks like a sailing boat, but you know, you get what you get, isn't it? Let me know if anyone else gets this box. Let me know what you got. Oh, and who was the winner? April Beauty 2017. Wicked. Excuse my nails and that. I haven't really sorted myself out. I'm just recovering from being away. I don't go away that often. I had a lovely visit with my mum, and it's left me shattered. As per usual. But yeah, there we go. That's everything we got in the box. As you know, I will do the thingy from it for the next video. I just definitely this week need the break for sure. So excuse me for taking it. There we go. There we go. You can't see what I'm doing anyway. Just trying to make it look pretty, ready for the photograph. Well, I hope you liked the video. Sorry it's just a short one this week. If you did, like and subscribe. If you didn't, you know, let me know how I can improve in the comments. But please be kind. Because, oh, words. I'm sorry. I'll try that again. Please be kind. Because I'm not a professional. I'm just doing this for fun. Okay? Thanks for watching. And that's everything. But before I go, the next time you decide you don't like the way someone looks, just remember, when you take away all the squishy parts, we're all just skeletons, aren't we? Try being kind. The results might just surprise you. Thanks for watching.